In this video, we're going to talk about how to get more traffic to your free website through what is called Web 2.0 websites. So these are sites similar to Squidoo and Weebly, sites that can actually allow you to create a free website. And later in the video, I'm actually going to show you how to find similar sites like this through searching the web. So let's set our free website on Yola. So Yola, this is yola.com, right? So we're going to go sign up for an account. So we're going to create an account here. We're going to have to choose a name for our business, and I'm going to go with the same dog training tips, how to train your dog at home. Okay. And then we need to pick a website category, which I'm going to choose pets, of course. So if you're going to be on the golf niche, you're probably going to choose sports or health and fitness here. If you're doing something in fashion, you're going to go for fashion. If you're going to be selling some Amazon products, you want to choose a niche that is going to be related to your product, right? So you're gonna go, let's say, for a camera, you would probably go for artist, photographer, or for other, right? If you don't find a category that is related to your to the product you're selling, you would probably go with the other. You would just choose the other category. So I'm gonna go with pets, even though I can also choose education, right? Because training is education. But for this video, I'm gonna go with pets, and I'm gonna build a site here. The next page is asking us for an address. So now, if you have a physical address for your business, you're probably gonna wanna enter all these details here. If you don't, simply go click here, and let's click this. So we already have a very good picture here. Oh, and beautiful picture. I kind of like this picture very much. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so one thing that you must remember when choosing your heading is that it has to be keywords rich, right? So don't forget this. Your heading has to be keyword rich. Just go with your main keyword if possible, and for this, go back to your Weebly site and just refresh your memory. Just remember what type of keyword you've decided is your main one. So if you can, use it in your Yola heading, as well as Squidoo heading, as well as any other site you create on the web. Every heading must be keywords rich. Okay, so we're gonna arrange this heading a bit, and I'm gonna go edit heading, and I'm gonna center this heading and make it bold, and I'm also gonna play with this font size here until I get a size that is that looks better. And also you can change the font from here, right? You can choose whatever font you want. I'm gonna stay with this for now. The heading looks a bit better because we already have our pictures saved from the previous sites we created. I'm gonna change this banner image here too with something that is more appropriate to my site. I'm gonna go upload a new banner. And I'll choose a small picture, right? I'm gonna go with this small picture, dog training, a small one. And what we need to do now is to resize this picture for this little banner. So we can either choose to do this. Okay, resizing. I'm gonna drag a bit this picture so it would fit this this banner. Okay, and let's see. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna save it, and this is how it looks like. And now if you look at the bottom of this page, you'll see here you have a menu, and on the right side it says widgets. So just go click on that widgets, and okay, I'm not gonna publish it yet. Okay, and you'll see we have here different options, different elements that we can use to actually make this site more beautiful. So we're gonna use these widgets here in creating our site. So for now, let's go here to this. I'm gonna close this. Let's go here to change this line a bit. It says dog training tips: how to train your dog at home. Provides the best, not care for your pet. The best. Let's change this. The most efficient training tips for all types of dogs. Okay. Okay, and then we'll leave it like this. Okay, so then is this about and this section over here, the about us section. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna go to our notepad and we're gonna copy our article, the informational article, right? The article that we are using when creating these websites. Copy this. Once again, just before we do this, just make sure the word wrap is taken. Okay, so there is no word wrap formatting here. So okay, let's go copy this article. And we go here in this section and we're gonna paste our article. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna format this article a bit. So now we have this article and we want to work with this article. So I'm simply going to click here on the article and you'll see, so this bar is going to show up automatically. So I'm going to highlight this and make it bold. Okay, and I'm going to make this bold. Okay, and this is going to go italics. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Okay, and just click on the site and it's gonna be saved. Okay, and this, I'm gonna make this a bit smaller too. Okay, and what we want to do next, we're going to change this picture as well. So I'm going to go edit and I'm going to upload a new image. A small one. So once again, the pictures we have here, they've been taken from the free I'm gonna actually delete these two. Okay, and what we want to do now is we're gonna upload one more element to this side, and I'm gonna click here on widgets and I'm gonna go to multimedia. Now I'm gonna go here and drag the YouTube video element, and I'm gonna go and search YouTube for a video of dog training. Okay, how to train your dog to come when called. Let's see, and this one actually had 289,000 views. I assume is a good video, so I'm just gonna go and upload this to my site. Okay, I'm gonna go save. Right, so this is the video. So what I want now, I would like to have this video a bit more down, right? So I don't want this the picture and the video to be so close. I'm gonna go here, margin, and I'm gonna add a size, right? I'm gonna add a number here, so my video is gonna go down. You can actually play with the margins here, and you see while I enter this figure here, you can see here on the left actually how the video is gonna look like. So let's say if I go with 100, it's gonna be a bit more down. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this for now. Let's see how it looks actually. Okay, and another thing that you can do is actually to play with this scale here, and you see the video is gonna become smaller or bigger. Okay, as I change distances here. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this. I'm simply gonna add 100, let's say here, and this is how it looks like now. I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna save it. And I'm going to close this here too. And basically this is our site. Okay, so another thing that you can do actually when doing this site, and this is a more efficient way of collecting leads, is if instead of this picture we would go just click on this. Yes, I want to delete this widget, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here and choose the HTML widget, and I'm gonna drag it here. We go to Listwire, to our account, subscription form. Okay, make sure you change the autoresponder list, right, to get the right one. And we go here, get the code for this, and I'm gonna grab this code here, copy, close, and I'm gonna go to Yola again, and I'm going to paste this code right here, and then save. And you see now we have a subscription form right here for our free dog training ebook. I'm just gonna save this. Just click on the site and close the widget. And basically we have a very pretty site right now with an opt-in form right here that we can use to generate even more leads. So obviously you have lots of widgets here that you can use, like let's see the social one. So I'm gonna use the Share Me here. And I'm gonna choose, let's say, this layout and margins if I want. It's okay. I'm gonna go okay and save. Right, and now I have the social media widget here as well. Right. I'm gonna close this. Right. One more thing I'm going to do here, and this is right here at the end of this article, I'm going to add a link. So I'm going to write learn the secrets to dog training today, and I'm going to highlight this and link. So click here on the chain, and what I'm gonna need here is an external link, which this link is gonna be the link to my site, to my Weebly site. So I'm going here to Weebly, grab the link right to my free dog training ebook if you want, or you can just link it to the home page, whichever link you'd like. So I'm going back to my Yola site and add this link here, and then click OK and save. So what I have here is basically a link to my site. And next thing, I'm gonna go save. You can preview this site if you want. Right, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so another thing that I would like to show you here before we move on is that you can actually, if you go here page, you see you get the chance to create a new page. So just go new page, edit your new page, click OK, and then go publish this website. Right, and this is how it looks like. Okay,